it's Hunter here, back with another video. Today we'll be playing some Subway Surfers. So yes, I hope you guys will enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get right into this. So you already saw all my characters. So we just have to. So let's just complete this daily challenge right now. So to complete it, so here we go. But now yeah, it has started. Oh yeah, I beat my high school guys today. I beat it twice. 2 times in a row I beat it. So that way I got better high school than last time. So I gotta get the word Zoom. So I can get a super mystery box with bad stuff in it. I hope it gives me about jackpot coins. It gives me like 9 trillion coins. I will show you guys until I die. So let's go. I can only make I don't know if I can make my video to 15, but I'm only gonna make it to 10 today. Like yesterday's video. And I want you to comment, I subscribe, I will share back. Go to the new channel. It's called DanTDM. It's not the real one. Just go to DanTDM, Minecraft, and more. And then you can search that up. I will leave in the description down below, or I will comment, or I will put it in the comments. Because I will comment back to every single one of you. You have a question, I will answer it. Some questions I won't answer and just tell you don't ask that question again, please. And if you keep on doing that, I will not answer your questions or sub to you. I will unsubscribe to you and okay. Complete the daily challenge. Okay, guys, just want me to see if I can beat my high school right now. Before it has 10 minutes. It's only been 2 right now. Oh yeah, that's a jackpot right now. So the shoutouts for today, I forgot to do at the beginning of the video. I always play 1 round until I die, and now I will show you the shoutouts. And then the shoutouts today is gonna be the Diamond Minecart, and the next shoutout is gonna be X-Men 723 vlog, and then the third shadow is gonna be who is it? Who's gonna be the next shout out? Enchanted Mob is the third shout out. So I hope you guys are thankful for that. 3 shout outs are gonna be tomorrow, and I will be doing Subway Surfers again tomorrow. This is part 2 of the game. This is I ended it early, and yeah. So I feel happy to start uploading again. And you guys know my channel Minecraft Finance and Freddys, and it's 21 subscribers. I just found that out, and this one has 16. I gotta do better than that, but that's okay. Oh. Whoa, yay! And yeah, I will be putting my intro in, because I downloaded the thing, Power Director, and so I can put my intros in them. Oh man, oh my god, if I didn't have that on me, I would be dead. And yeah, put another one on. Oh man, oh Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Pogo stick. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Oh, I didn't get the jumpy boots. I thought I did for a second, but no, I didn't. Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast. Jetpack! You know, today I get a jetpack, not 10 in a row in one round. And I died somehow, and I was so close from beating it. I was like at 8,000. I got a new high score. My game glitched. It glitched so hard. I guess I was too fast. Oh yeah, if you didn't know, I had headphones on. But I'm not using a microphone. So, yeah. Whoa, my goodness. Okay, I think I might put my intro in it. I don't think so. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna put my intro in. It's gonna take too much time. One day I will put it in, or I will make a new video of my intro and a video. It'll be like a short Minecraft video, or Subway Surfers video. I just be showing you things that I had and got. Gosh, this is so easy, guys. I don't know who can fail at this. I'm close though from beating my high score. So loud. Oh my gosh, for me it's so loud. So, oh boom, oh boom, oh boom, oh. I double tap as soon as I was like that, I double tap and I survived. That's weird, I survived when I did that. I was almost dead. Like I was like already dead, but when I died, a key saved my life because I had one. Ooh, I almost died though. Been 8 minutes. I don't think I would beat my high score in this one. No, I'm not. Actually, I'm not gonna beat it. I don't think I am. It gotta go faster. Gotta go way more faster. Boom, 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 boom. Take that lock up. Wow, it's been 9 minutes in a video, and I'm so alive. I'm so supposed. Oh, I don't want those. I don't like the bouncy. It's so annoying. Like they can kill me like instantly. If I jump on a thing, they kill me. Like I die. Whoa! Oh, I almost. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. I'm not close. No, 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 no! I died. Oh my god, a gold ball! I don't care. Oh, God. I don't need these. I don't need a UFO. I don't need a UFO. Okay, got a silver medal. So am I? Oh my gosh. So I'm thinking I'm gonna end this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and just do anything you want. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!